Open up this tech deck and see if it will fit in the Hot Wheels track. Oh, that one's sweet. And if you guys like tech decks, definitely follow me. I built a concrete tech deck skate park. Let's see if this thing fits, huh? Oh, cool! It fits perfectly! It gets stuck up here, though, so I can launch these guys. I'm going to set this thing up to launch tech decks, for sure. Nope, that one doesn't work. Boom. It fits perfectly. Because I don't care about it going around this turn. I'm going to set this thing up later so that I can launch these cars. And well, it's awesome to know that tech decks fit this thing.